Incest. As you may already know, my main motto is, anything that happens in bed between consenting adults and brings them pleasure is perfectly normal and even great. And often I get a response along the lines of, well, that logic could lead to incest being normalized. After all, there could be consenting adults, pleasure, and agreement there too. Let me reassure you, we definitely won't get to that point. Mother Nature is no fool. She's thought it all through. She doesn't just care that we reproduce, she cares that we do it well. That's why all the mechanisms of human reproduction are geared towards one goal: ensuring our offspring are stronger, more resilient, better looking, and smarter than us. It's based on these principles that we choose our partners for mating, or to put it in more human terms, fall in love. For example, by smell. Have you ever noticed that the sweat of one person smells repulsive to you, while another's is actually pleasant? That's nature telling you whose immune system is compatible with yours. The less aversion you feel towards a smell, the better the potential offspring. Interestingly, scientists have found that this trait is mostly characteristic of women's sense of smell. On the other hand, men can unconsciously detect hormonal levels by smell, among other things. These are innate mechanisms present in every living being. Among them is a built-in protection against close relative mating. Surely at some point you've said about a couple in love, "Wow, you're such a great pair, you even look alike." That's not a coincidence, it's a clear demonstration of those very mechanisms at work. We choose partners based on this principle. They need to be very similar to us to avoid accidentally mating with another species, but not too similar. If someone is too similar to us in appearance, smell, behavior, and countless other factors, we simply won't feel sexual attraction toward them, no matter how hard we try. Of course, like any other mechanism, the protection against close relative mating can occasionally fail. But these instances are rare, so there's no need to worry that granting humanity sexual freedom will plunge us into the depths of incest. It's also possible to artificially break this protection. Look at the rats and mice sold in pet stores. After generations of living together in one cage, they start mating with close relatives. When a species becomes isolated from the world, nature flips the extinction prevention switch. In such a situation, close relative mating becomes irrelevant. Survival takes precedence. However, if there's even the slightest choice, even a mouse will prefer a mate from another clan. So if someone ever tries to use incest as an example of the supposed outcome of sexual permissiveness, feel free to share these scientific facts with them.